What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're back to the hobby. Said, how's our temps? Yep, we are ready for meat. We're doing some ribs today. Before we get started with the hockey card opening, just want to show you guys what I'm working on in the kitchen. Yeah, that's it. That's right. We're doing some ribs today. When your 6-year-old says he wants ribs on the grill, and it's going to be in the 40s, that sounds like a pretty good idea. All right, we'll see you in a couple hours. All right, guys, here we are back at it. Some hockey cards. 2020-2021 Hockey Allure. 6 cards per pack, 5 packs. I'm going to be totally honest. These are expensive. This blaster box was $32. Now, I have bought these cards before. They are very nice. And just to show you kind of the quality that you're getting, here's some great pulls that I got. They're amazing. I got a Crosby, a Malkin. Here's some grand entrance inserts. Kiefer Bellows, Nick Robertson. They're good-looking cards, but like I said, you're going to spend a little bit of money on them. But back to the box, we are looking for Lafreniere rookie card, anything McDavid, anything with an autograph or special insert. I think they even have these special edition like leopard prints. So I can't believe for $32 this is what you get. 5 packs. So I want to give a special thank you to Goofy Bastard. He sent me this Yager 1990 first round draft choice rookie card from Score. And that really blew me away. I've been sending this guy some cards. He sent me back some cards. I actually have more to send back, but Goofy Bastard, if you're watching, thank you very much. You guys go down and check him out. I'll put a link in the description below where you can check out his channel. All right, pack number 1. Jack Eichel. That's a good start. James Van Riemsdyk. Goofy Bastard, I think I'm going to be sending you this one for the flyer in you. Joseph Wool, rookie card. Ty Dellandrea. Wow, I haven't gotten one like Red Rainbow before. That's pretty nice. I'll have to see what these are. Matthew Tkachuk. NHL Shield 2005. Wow, this is pretty incredible. Icing on the cake. Jake Gensel, baby. One of the Penguins' leading scorers right now in all of the NHL. That is a beautiful first pack. The Shield. The Red Rainbow. The rookie. All good players right there, man. That's a hell of a way to start this. Very, very nice. Pack number 2. Let's have more of that. Oh, got some upside down shit here. Mikey Anderson. I actually have that card already. Quinn Hughes. Leon Draisaitl. Connor McDavid's buddy. Alexander Alexiev. Ryan Suter. NHL Shield. Nice. And goalie on my fantasy team, Connor Hellebuck. Not bad at all. I don't know what these are. I've pulled 2 out of 2, and that's actually pretty good. I'll put a graphic up here on the screen of what the odds are to get all of the parallels and all the inserts and all the special edition cards. Pack 3. Pack number 3. We got Jake Evans, Jordan Bennington, Dylan Larkin, Kravtsov, Vitaly Kravtsov, grand entrance rookie card. Not bad. Shane Bowers, rookie card with the Shield background. I guess, are these one a pack now? All right. And we end with Pecorine. Oh, this has been a good box so far. I'm pretty happy. Let's see what else we pull out of these guys. Okay. Nice. One of the players I was hoping to get in this box. Austin Matthews. Good pull there. Morgan Geekie. Rookie card. Anthony Manta. Connor McMichael. Rookie card. Thomas Chabot. Yep, these must be one per pack. The NHL Shield 2005 edition cards. Those are actually pretty cool. Nice little rainbow effect on them. And Pablo Franzus. One more. Can we get lucky on the last pack? What else do we got? What else? All right. Elvis. Merzlikins. Igor Korshoff. Connor McDavid. There you go. There's a nice base card to pull. Probably the best one you could pull in the whole series. Elias Pettersson. Matthew Barzal, Shield background. And John Carlson. Well, I tell you what, everybody. I'm pretty happy with that. I got a little bit of everything. We didn't get some big inserts. We'll pull out all the honorable mentions. And we'll wrap the video up. Well, everybody, just to kind of recap all the honorable mentions in the pack, I'm going to go ahead and start with the base cards here. We got a nice Connor McDavid, Austin Matthews, Jake Gensel. Those are probably my three favorite base cards. But on to the rookies. This is a 1 in 20 hit right here for this Ty Dellandrea. He was actually a first rounder. And these two were also first rounders too, Connor McMichael and Vitaly Kravtsov. So those are some good pulls there. Then just to mention the Shields, which are 1 for 1 pack. We got Shane Bowers, Ryan Suter, Thomas Chabot, Matthew Tkachuk, and Matthew Barzal. Not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and give this rookie here mention, Joseph Wool. Not a first draft or anything, but good card nonetheless. You never know how these guys are going to do until they actually get into the NHL. It doesn't really matter what draft order they are or anything. It just matters how well they play. But overall, guys, I'm pretty happy. $32 is a little pricey for a blaster box, especially only getting 5 cards per pack and 6 cards per pack, 5 packs, and 1 box. Was it worth it? Let me know in the comments below. Well, guys, thanks for checking out another unboxing video of Upper Deck hockey cards. Looks like the weather's starting to warm up a little bit. I'm going to be getting out tomorrow probably and commuting. We're going to have a 60-degree plus day, but then we're going to be dropping back down to 20. So hopefully some more motorcycle content will be coming out because of that. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the Allure. Did I get ripped off? Did I get some good pulls? You decide. Till next time, you guys, enjoy your day and enjoy every mile.